All right, day one, we are digging a pipe, and that's James. He's from Baltimore, and he brought a team with him to help and just serve. What we're doing is we're going to be replacing a water line today that's there's got some high pressure water, and that pipe's not made for it, so we're going to replace that. And yeah, as you can see, it's a little humid. Got a lot of people down here. I think, James, what, you brought a team of 13?
Yeah, team of 13.
Team of 13. I think we got probably about 6 more, so very exciting. How you feeling?
Good. You?
Good.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, so we are right down the road. We walked down here from the convenience store and right from the house, and we are about to eat some empanadas. Say hi. Yeah, it's kind of video.
Where you going? Hey. There's they all are covered in cream.
Just one. We are walking down to get ice cream.
I have so many favorite things about last week, namely the simplicity of all of us just working together, teamwork, and just getting things done with a common goal and getting things accomplished. Just working side by side with all of you, sharing stories, sharing worship, sharing meals, doing the dishes, just all that, just being together. That's my favorite part, which is all of it. I would take all the bugs and all the mud all over again just to be with you guys for another week. I miss you, I love you, and I look forward to hopefully doing this again sometime in the near future. See you guys.